Hi everyone, my name is Saurabh Sahib Chaudhary. Today's date is 24 September 2021. Today's topic name is Access Modifier in Java. Let's discuss the Access Modifier in Java. There are two types of modifiers. First one is Access Modifier, second one is Non-Access Modifier. Access Modifier specifies the scope of method, constructor, class and field. We can change the access level of field, method, constructor, class by applying access modifier on it. In access modifier, there are four types of access modifier. Let's discuss the types of access modifier one by one. First one is private access modifier. Second one is default access modifier. Third one is protected access modifier. Fourth one is public access modifier. Let's discuss the first type of access modifier, private access modifier. Access level of private access modifier within the class. We cannot accessible this from outside the class. Next one is default access modifier. Default access modifier access level within the package. It cannot be accessible from outside the package. Next one is protected access modifier. In protected access modifier, access level within the package and without outside the package by using child class. If we cannot generate any child class, then we cannot use we cannot use this without the outside the package. Next, public access modifier. Access level of public access modifier is within the class, outside the class, within the package, outside the package. Let's discuss the access modifier types with example. First is private access modifier. Private access modifier access level within the class, outside the class it cannot be accessible. Let's discuss the simple example of private access modifier. We can create two class A and class B. Class A have private member and private method. If we can call this private member from outside the class, there are compile time error. Next one is default access modifier. Default access modifier, if we cannot give any access modifier, then it is treated as default access modifier by default. In default access modifier is access level within the package or without the outside the package with inherent it without the outside the package with inheritance. Let's discuss the simple example of default access modifier. If we can create two package number 1, package 1 and package 2. In package 1 there is a class package, there is a class A. If the class A method is public, so we can it is accessible from outside the package, but its member is located as a private, is located as a protected, then it will not be accessible from outside the package. Next one is public access modifier. Public access modifier is accessible within the class or with outside the class, within the package or outside the package. Let's discuss the simple example. If we can create two package 1 and package 2. In package 1 we can create class A. If the class A is public, so it will be accessible from outside of this package, and it will be also accessible in this package or other package. These are the example of access modifier. Thank you.